All right, so here's today, right? Come to the market, pre-market. We always check news first. Nothing crazy. Orange folders, right? The only orange folder I ever really pay mind to is like consumer sentiment. That I see that one cause a lot of influx in the financial markets, but um, I should say looking on the higher time frame after I saw data. Sorry, I kind of brain farted there. Noticed we had this huge inversion, right? I don't know why I have it on the marked out as a 1 hour. Forgive me, this should be a 15 minute. All right. What did price do? In Asia came down into this, right? 15 minute first presented fair value gap of yesterday's session, I guess if you want to call it. Right. Expanded up to the upside, some buy side, right? Completely inversed it here on the 15. So looking at that, I was waiting to one, see price return to that consequent encroachment of that 15-minute inversion, or I wanted to see price come down, hit this Asia low or this 15-minute low before giving us a move to the upside, right? And what do we get? Market opens, right? Market's just doing its thing. Absolutely nothing for the first few minutes. Takes London low in the first 2 minutes and is just, consolidating, right? Finally get this expansionary candle to the upside here. And once we hit that consequent encroachment there, I decided to short it. I kept my stop like 10 handles, 10, 15 handles above where I believe was the consequent encroachment, right? And if we were to respect that in theory, we should see a hit to the posing draw of liquidity, which in this case was the AM low, right? And because of what happened that other day, right? Hopefully, no, I'm not cutting myself off here, right? I ended up getting out at the AM low, and luckily I did, because look at this. Let's say I held that even a tad bit longer, bro. Even if I held through this, dude, that was not worth it, right? You just had a whole hour just for that, and you would have probably got greedy here just for it to completely reverse, and you would have been crying that you did not take those profits, right? But anyways, I did get out the AM low, and that was beautiful. I was in six cons, and I did halfway past my Lucid 50K flex accounts, and I did make around 2 bands on my 50K funded with Top Step. So yeah, after that TP hit, I walked away from the charts. Want to go do my thing, ran my errands for the day. But looking at it now, right? I can't believe price actually respected this AM low. Like I'm so glad I took it there, right? What did it do? Engineered that low, swept it here, took it out again, and it completely reversed to these London highs that we had back here. That was this NWOG, I mean this N dog in New Day opening gap, right? So I was looking at this. We never hit it at all any of these sessions, and we finally tapped into it there. So you know what? Not a bad read. Great day nonetheless. I did recover from my previous 2 days. Every time I lose, I take a loss, I reduce my risk. So, and I went in with normal risk today, so that definitely made back the loss and left me in the green for the week. There's still tomorrow, but we'll see how that goes. Hopefully, I didn't go over my time limit. If I did, the intro's gonna get cut off. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like always, stay safe out there, and see you next time.